Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process, how to add different apps icon to your desktop as a shortcut running on Windows 11 PC or laptop. But before going through the process, there are two types of icon that you can see on your desktop. One is the default icons like this PC Recycled Bin and others. Another is the application that you have installed on your computer. But if you're missing out your default icons like this PC Recycled Bin and others, then it is very easy to add. Simply go ahead and click on your Start button, and then go to the settings. And then click on Personalization. Click on Themes. Scroll down and then click on Desktop Icon Settings. And from here, just make sure to check mark those options that you want on the desktop. And after selecting that one, go ahead and click on Apply. And OK. And your expected icons will be added to your desktop. But if you want to add an application icon to your desktop as a shortcut, then there is another way to do this. Just simply head over to your Start button over again, and then you'll get All Apps option. Just go ahead and click over here and it's going to show you all the applications that you have installed on your computer so far. From here, it is very easy to create. The icon on your desktop is simply select the application that you want to create. And following the same way you can add multiple icons on your desktop. Well, so if you want to remove or delete the icon from your desktop, you just go ahead and right-click on that specific icon and then go ahead and click on this delete icon and the icon will be deleted from your desktop. This is how you can easily add or delete any apps icon on your desktop running on Windows 11 operating system. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.